Let's uninstall and update using PowerShell command. Go to control panel, look for the updates that are installed. I'm going to uninstall this first update. So I'll open my PowerShell as an admin. And now I need to execute one command, which is wusa/uninstall/kb : the kb number, which is 5066782. as per the update that I want to uninstall. You can change it to your kb which you want to uninstall. Once done, hit enter and you will see one prompt. You need to select yes, and you can see the uninstallation has started. It can take few minutes. Also, it may look for a reboot. You will receive the reboot prompt. So let's wait for a few more minutes until this is completely uninstalled. Okay, it is asking for a reboot. I'll click on restart later. And this is how we uninstall update using PowerShell command. Thank you so much.